पुढे सगळं उभं राहून
सीएम सीएम ठीक है एक फोटो घ्या एक फोटो घेता
हा उभं राहून
विश्राम सबसे पहले सबको जय हिंद। आज हम मना रहे हैं जो कारगिल विजय दिवस, और ये 22वां कारगिल विजय दिवस है। और इसके बाद जो हमारे वक्ता है वो तो बताएंगे इसके बारे में। सबसे पहले मैं हमारे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर उनका मैं वेलकम करता हूँ ये आज़ाद मैदान पे। उसके साथ साथ बीजेपी के स्टेट अध्यक्ष श्री सदानंद सेठ तानवड़े जी और पणजी के मेयर बाब रोहित मुंसेरात, डेप्यूटी मेयर वसंत अक्षिकर और मेजर वेणुगोपाल नायर, लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल खुलासो, जॉन अगिया और बाकी रोटरी क्लब मिरामार, रोटरी क्लब परवरी, सम्राट क्लब, इनको सबको, और जो बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने ऐसे कंपटीशन हमने लिया था, करीब 500 प्लस एंट्रीज हमारे पास आई थी। उसमें से जो विजेता बच्चे हैं उनको यहाँ पे मोमेंटो और उनको प्रशस्ति पत्र भी दिया जाएगा। मैं फिर एक बार सबका स्वागत करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल Kulaso, please. These are the officers who are actively participated in the Kargil war. Give a big round of applause, please. Major Venugopal Nair, Secretary, Department of Training Welfare. Subedar Namdev Narulkar. Subedar Vilas Gaun. And the Chief PT Officer Ananta Joshi, who is also the President of the All Goa Ex-Servicemen Association. All Goa Exhibition Association organized for the first time the essay competition for the students of the class 8 to 10. We have received abundant response from the students. We have received around about 500 mails, and it was a very difficult task to select the top 6. Now we are starting with the 6th prize. Valerie Fernandez of Saint Bartholomew High School, Shoreham, on the topic global warming. I request Rotary Club of Miramar President to be here. The 5th prize goes to Runali Devidas Parab of Viscount of Pernem High School, Pernem. She has done an essay on armed forces. The 4th prize goes to Atharva N. Chaudhary of St. Rita High School, Bolware, on Kargil Vijay Divas. The 3rd prize goes to Karthik Prabhu of St. Brito's High School, Mapsa. His essay was on global warming.
Very good. Congratulations.
The 2nd prize of the essay competition goes to Sushmita Dalpatti of Mary Immaculate Girls High School, Panji. Her topic was our armed forces. And the first prize of this All Goa Essay competition goes to Sia Shamakan Mahato of Progress High School, Sakli. The topic was Argil Selection. We have one certificate of appreciation from All Goa Exhibition Welfare Association to Sudesh Sawan, DI. Sudesh Naik.
There is one more commendation letter from the Jai Hind Foundation, Mumbai, who has recognized the services during the cyclone stop.
All the prize winners take those prizes and stand here. Come, fast. All the prize winners, please come. All Goa Association members, kindly join. Six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more.
Congratulations once again. Global warming से बनेगा तो हमारा
Mayor of Panji, Shri Rohit Mansarat, President of All Goa Ex-Servicemen Association, Shri Anand Joshi ji, Rotary Club of Parwari, Rotary Club of Panji, then Srimati Sarita Chavan. She has been supporting us in all these events. and my colleagues, veterans. Kargil war, which was fought during the months of May, June, July 1999, is one of the rare battles which was not fought before after independence by a country. This was a battle which was fought by junior leaders, young officers, young JCOs and our Jawans, because we didn't get any time for acclimatization. Whatever troops were deployed in those heights, other than that, those troops which were moved in, which were located in the valley or in the northern sector or even in the south, was moved, mobilized, and we didn't get any time to get ourselves acclimatized. And you must have read in various publications. Now, authentic publication has not been published so far. You will find in Wikipedia, which is more of a Western point of view. The people who actually fought this war on the ground, we don't know about the accounts. There were many stories and dramas like Bollywood movies and all, where you will find reference of such a battle in Lakshya and in say Kargil. Such movies were made based on this. But actually what happened when they started bombarding the national highway from all the heights, starting from Dras to Batalik, the movement of our troops were delayed. This was the only lifeline during that time between Leh and Srinagar. We moved through the Himachal Leh highway, which was under construction there. And after reaching south of Leh, we had to move to a place called Turtuk, which is the base of Siachen Glacier. We walked for 20 days and we had to block further ingress of our enemy from there. The enemy was well entrenched. They had used the paramilitary force. I don't know now they have what they have redesignated them, Northern Light Infantry. Plus the support from the Pakistani army from Skardu, Gilgit, all those places. And it was a nightmare, let me tell you, because people had to advance on those ridges. Thank God there was no much of a snow at a height around 8,000, 9,000 feet, but we actually fought at 15,000, 16,000 feet up there. A well-entrenched enemy who had a clear line of sight. We had to use boulders, rocks for cover. Daytime, hardly any movement. The assault happened during night, trench by trench, person by person, indulging in hand-to-hand fight. All the features were captured by end of June, which was hindering our movement. First time Air Force was used in Operation Safed Sagar at such a height. Navy, they carried out Operation Talwar. They actually blocked the Karachi harbour. And their Prime Minister mentioned then that if the war had gone for 6 more days, Pakistan wouldn't have any oil and other supplies to survive. So this was the thing which happened there. And the night, the shriek of war cries, Bole Sonihal Sat Sri Akal, Bajrang Bali ki Jai, Sarvada Shaktishali, Jat Balwan, Jai Bhagwan, and Har Har Mahadev. These were the sound shrieking during the night. As our officers and men captured each and every bunker. This will go in history as the fiercely fought battle by our young leaders, and by the amount of gallantry award won, you can see the very young officers with 1-2 years of service. So the end, I would say that the military leadership, the political will had immensely contributed for us in winning this war in Kargil. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now I will request Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant sir, to address today's speech.
सगळ्यात पहिली कारगिल विजय दिना निमित्तान आयोजित केल्ल्या आमचे एक्स आर्मी एसोसिएशन हांच्यानी आयोजित केल्ल्या ह्या कार्यक्रमाक हांगा म्हाका येवपाची संद मेळ्ळी. म्हाज्या बरोबर पणजेचे मेयर बाब रोहित मोन्सेरात आसात, आमचे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष श्री सदानंद शेट तानवडे आसा, तांच्या एसोसिएशनचे अध्यक्ष मिस्टर जोशी, तशेंच गव्हर्मेंट एसोसिएशनचे लेवलचेर वेणुगोपाल नायर आसा, आक्षिकार आहा आमचो डेप्युटी मेयर, त्यान भायर रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पणजी, रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पर्वरीम, आणि खास करून जे कारगिल युद्धात सहभागी जाल्ले आमचे मिलिटरी फोर्सीसांतले सगळे वीर आसात, हांव पयल्यान पयली याद करता आणि जे कारगिल युद्धात शहीद जाले तांकां समेस्त गोंयकारांच्या वतीन हांव तांकां याद करता, तांकां श्रद्धांजली दिता आयच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याचेर. खरोखरूच कारगिल युद्ध, कारगिल विजय दिन हो पुराय देशभर आयजूय याद काडलो वता. आणि बाब वेणुगोपाल नायर हाणें त्या युद्धाचेर फोकस केलो, त्या युद्धांत नक्की कितें जालें हें तांच्यांनी त्या निमित्तान सांगलें. आणि ताजेर आधारीत म्हाका दिसता रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पणजी, रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पर्वरी हांच्यांनी आमच्या वेगवेगळे विशय घेवन भुरग्यांक वेगवेगळे कॉम्पिटिशन्स घेतले. त्या बद्दल तांच्याय बी कारगिल युद्धाच्या निमित्तान कारगिल विजय डे आसतलो किंवा एनवायरमेंट आसतले किंवा वेगवेगळे विशय तांच्यांनी भुरग्यांक दिले. त्याय भुरग्यांक तांच्यांनी आज म्हज्या हस्ते फेलिसिटेट केलें. गोंयभरची सगळीं भुरगीं 500 पेक्षा चड भुरगीं ह्या पॅन्डेमिकान सुद्दां पार्टिसिपेट जाली. त्याय भुरग्यांचें हांव सगळ्यांचें खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता आणि समेस्त गोंयकारांक, तरणाट्या युवक युवतींक आव्हान करता, आमी बी म्हाका दिसता देश प्रेम हो सदोदीत आमच्या मदीं असोच जागत उरपाक जाय. आणि तो देश प्रेम परत एकदा व्यक्त करपा खातीर मिलिटरी फोर्सीस आसतले, नेव्ही फोर्सीस आसतले, एअर फोर्सीस आसतले, गोंयकारांनीय बी अशाच पद्दतीची प्रेरणा घेवन तांच्यांनी जॉईन जावपाची गरज आसा. म्हाका दिसता आर्मी वेलफेअर असोसिएशन हे सदोदीत मार्गदर्शन करीत आसता वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्याचेर. हांच्यांनी मिलिटरी फोर्सीसांत वेगवेगळ्यो ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज तरणाट्यां खातीर एवेलेबल आसा, त्यो तांच्यांनी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घेवच्यो आणि आपल्या मदलो देश प्रेम व्यक्त करपाची ही आमकां खरोखरूच एक बरी संद आसा. आणि त्या निमित्तान नव्या युवकांनी हे मिलिटरी फोर्सीस, एअर फोर्सीसांनी जॉईन जावचें एक आव्हान करता. परत एकदा आय सॅल्यूट फॉर ऑल द मार्टियर्स ऑफ द कारगिल ह्या निमित्तान आणि माझी 2 उतरां सोंपयता. देव बरें करूं. चलो 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 मिरामार. ओके ओके हो तेंच्यांनीच केल्लें. आज का कारगिल दिन हमारे यहाँ पे हमारे जो वेलफेयर आर्मी वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन है उन्होंने यहाँ पे सेलिब्रेट किया. उस कार्यक्रम के लिए बाकी सभी पार्टिसिपेट हुए थे, खास करके रोटरी क्लब ऑफ मिरामार, रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पर्वरीम, इन लोगों ने जो कॉम्पिटिशन्स भी यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज किया था. मैं सभी कारगिल वीर को जिनको वीरगति प्राप्त हुई उन्हें याद करता हूँ. गोवा की सरकार की तरफ से, गोवा के लोगों की तरफ से श्रद्धांजलि देता हूँ. ये मेरा सौभाग्य है आज उन्हें याद करने का मौका मुझे मिला और जो गोवा से पार्टिसिपेट हुए थे उनको फेलिसिटेट करने का जो मुझे मौका मिला, इसलिए मैं आर्मी वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन का हमेशा आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ.
सर, कल जेपी नड्डा जी आपको एक